Hello everyone, we the cadets of Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, 1TN Medical Unit NCC, Madras A Group. We are going to present a video about our soldiers who martyred and sacrificed their lives in Kargil War for our motherland in 1999.
And also known as Kargil conflict, which was started on 3rd May 1999.
During the war, patrolling troops were set up, where 5 Indian soldiers were captured and tortured to death by Pakistan soldiers.
At the same time, IAF launched Operation Safed Sagar. This conflict was lasted about 60 days and ended on 26 July 1999 and resulted in loss of life on both the sides.
In the middle of May, Indian Army moved in many troops from Kashmir Valley to Kargil sector. The Indian Army launched major offensive in Kargil and recaptured the key positions in Batalik sector. Indian Army secured strolling in Dars.
By the end of July, Pakistan Army's food and weapon supply were cut down by their own Prime Minister. So they moved back and the Indian Army moved forward towards the Tiger Hill, and after the 11 hours of battle, they recaptured the Tiger Hills.
Main cause of the war was the infiltration of Pakistani soldiers into the positions of Indian LOC.
There were mainly three phases in Kargil War.
First, Pakistan infiltrated the Indian control section of Kashmir.
Stage was India discovering the influences and mobilizing the forces to respond.
The final stage involved major battles between India and Pakistan, resulting in India recapturing most of the territories.
On July 11th, Pakistan begins pull-out. India captures key peaks in Batalik. On July 14th, our Indian Prime Minister Vajpayee declares Operation Vijay a success. Government sets conditions for talk with Pakistan.
It has been 21 years since the Kargil Wars. The memories of the brave soldiers who responded to the call of duty and defeated the country's boundaries and their families.
For the war, more than 30,000 Indian soldiers were involved, out of which 527 were killed and 1,363 were wounded. On July 26th, Kargil conflict officially comes to an end.
Indian Army announces complete eviction of Pakistani individuals. Though Kargil War was a victory, we lost many lives from our side, and 15 soldiers were awarded with gallantry awards like PVC and MVC.
Full soldiers were awarded with Parmavir Chakra and level soldiers were awarded with Mahavir Chakra.
Secretary, they gave all their happiness and expect nothing from us, and they also protect us in many ways like trees too.
We the cadets of Bihar NCC.
In the memory of those brave hearts, and as a tribute to them, as planted it be for each and every soldier who has sacrificed their life.
We lost our dear ones in those hills and won the battle.
But their souls are with us in the form of nature.
You will be always with us until the nature alives.
And for those who choose to fight life has a special flavor.
The protected one will never know.